A boy fell in love with a girl, but the girl got married to someone else. The boy was very upset and wrote a letter to the girl, saying, "Miss, I was trying to marry you, but it was not in my fate. Now, you meet me once, and I will fulfill whatever you ask for." The girl was pious and she said, "Pray behind Hazrat Farooq Azam for 40 days and then wherever you call me, I will come." The boy used to visit the girl's house before, but after 40 days, he stopped going. The girl sent a message saying, "If you have completed my request, then I am ready." The boy said, "First, your love was in my heart, but now the love of Allah has taken its place, so your path and mine are separate." The girl told her husband about this, and he informed Farooq Azam about it. Farooq Azam said, "Indeed, prayer prevents people from immorality and evil deeds."